Welcome to the Colonial building. This is a shared living experience on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. The apartments in this building are studio efficiencies, which means you have your own private living area and bathroom, and there's a communal lounge and a communal kitchen for tenants to share. We're here today to see apartment 307. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is your microwave and your mini fridge. Heading down the hall, you'll see that every studio efficiency comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser, as well as plenty of closet space. This apartment faces south, looking towards City Hall, the Tompkins County Public Library, and the Green Street Bus Station. One great feature of our buildings is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. Nice bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet, and a shower and bathtub combo. Rent for apartments in the Colonial building includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Colonial 307. Call us today for availability.